How to make your PC or laptop run faster in 3 simple steps. Hello friends, I'm Mr. UG Money, and today I'm to show you how to make your PC or laptop run faster in 3 simple steps. Stay on until the end, so that you won't miss a step that will make your PC or laptop run faster. Do not forget to subscribe to Mr. UG Money, like and share for more notifications. How to make your PC or laptop run faster in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Click Start, and then click Search. Then, search for Run. Run, which is RUN, and click Enter. Type %symbol and the word temp. Temp is TEMP. Again type %symbol. However, the word is typed without leaving space. Once done, click OK. So, this page will appear. So, most of these files are files without any value to your PC or laptop. So, click Ctrl A to select all the files and click Delete. Don't worry about the important files, because your PC or laptop will automatically inform you about the important files. Like these files, because the files are important, your device is requesting you to provide administrator permission to delete the files. So whenever a request appears, click Skip, because the file is essential. So for the useless files, your device will delete them without any request. This will enable your PC or laptop to run faster. Step 2. Again, click Start, and then click Search. Then, search for Run. Run, which is RUN, and click Enter. Type Prefetch. Prefetch is PREFETCH. Press Enter, or click OK. A Prefetch folder is a folder containing only unwanted files or folders on your PC or laptop. So, these are Prefetch files. Press Ctrl A to select all files and delete them. This will make your PC or laptop run faster. Step 3. Click Start, and then click Search. Then, search for Disk Cleanup. Free up disk space by deleting unnecessary files, and click Disk Cleanup. Select the drive you want to clean up. Just press OK. Then your PC or laptop disk cleanup will start. To calculate how much space you will be able to free on your disk C. So, this will take a few minutes to complete. So, here you are. Files to delete. These files have been automatically selected by your PC or laptop as useless files taking space on your device, which slows your device. So, tick all files. Press OK and then permanently delete files. Wait a few minutes for the disk to completely clean up, so you are done. And now your PC or laptop runs faster. However, if you want to know more about your PC or laptop with no-cost strategies or tips, I have included recommended videos for you in the description box to help you with your PC or laptop's performance. Comment anything that you didn't understand, so that I can make a video about it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to Mr. UG Money, like and share for more notifications.